Welcome, curious minds. Ever wondered why certain objects float on water, like a buoyant duck toy or beach ball, whereas others plunge deep, like an anchor or chunk of metal? Well, hold on to your curious caps because we're about to crack the code. It all comes down to a sneaky scientific superpower called density. You see, density is like a secret code that tells us how much stuff is packed into something. The more tightly packed, the denser it is, and the denser it is, the more likely it is to sink. We hope that this helps you understand why some objects float on water while others do not. You might be thinking that big ships made of metal should also sink as they are heavy, right? Well, keep in mind that those ships are made into a very specific shape. While the weight of the ship could sink it into water, the inside of the ship has lots of empty space, which means all that space is filled with nothing but air. And this lowers the average density of the ship and allows it to float on water. Let's demonstrate that with the metal cup. It can float on water despite its heavy weight. As you can see, the inside of it is nothing but air, similar to the bottom part of those large ships. Now, if we replace that air with something else, such as water, you see that more of the metal has gone into the water, and the average density has increased. Now, if we keep adding water, density will keep increasing, and once it passes 1, which is the density of water, then the cup will sink. This is similar to ships when they have an accident that takes water inside, just like the Titanic. This concludes our video. If you like our video and you would like it to reach other curious minds like yourself, please like and subscribe. I've heard that this helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm to reach the right audience. Also, don't forget to comment below. We are interested in hearing what kinds of experiments you'd like to hear next. How about the contents of our video? Was this too simple or too complicated? All these comments will help make our experiments more helpful for all curious minds. Stay curious and see you next time.